What do we mean by relationships, guys? क्या होते हैं relationships?
Any kind of relation between two people.
Relation क्या होता है? Oh, everyone okay with English and Hindi? Or only Hindi or only English is required?
Only
Yeah.
English.
Yeah, Hema Lakshmi is having issue. Yeah, okay. So guys, what do we mean by relationships?
The bond
Exactly.
between two people.
Yes,
The bond between two people.
very good. And
Bond and connection they share.
yes, you guys are able to see my screen share. You guys able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so you can read from my slide and then answer me, guys. It's not that much typical to answer. Okay, what is the core foundation of a relationship? Can anyone tell this? I'm sure we all are having a relationship.
Understanding. Trust.
Yes, Hema Lakshmi? Very good.
Understanding.
Very good. And what else is needed for a relationship to continue? Foundation, understanding is okay, trust is okay, and
Respect.
very good. Respect, and you guys are, just a step away from that thing. What else?
Honesty.
Respect and honest, trust, honesty, सब comes under this. अगर हम foundation की बात करें तो honesty is also a part, but वो सब part हो गया. Communication, guys. Communication. Without communication, will there be any kind of relationship? Even though we are sharing here a professional relationships, if we are not communicating with each other, will we be able to form a relationship? No. If you guys will not be responding to me, then will I be able to deliver the best of my session to you guys? No. So communication is equally necessary and important. Okay. So for the foundation of a relationship, what is required is trust, understanding, respect, and communication. These are the 4 foundations of the relationships. Now, talking about relationships, so relationship can be a bond or connection you have with other people or with a single person, just like with your the bond you're sharing with your family, right? With your parents, with your friends, with your co-workers, with your colleagues, with your employees, right? With your own children. So that bond is known as relationship. Relationship is having an equal impact on your physical, mental, and social health. Chalo theek hai, I can totally understand that it is having a direct impact on our mental health. But how can it just impact our physical health? Can anyone tell me? How relationships can impact our physical health?
Nowadays, teenagers who go through breakup, they tend to commit suicide. Or even when they get low marks, they tend to commit suicide.
100%. Very well pointed out. Exactly. So that's how it is just not only affecting our mental health, but also affecting our physical health. Right? Always remember, guys, health is a concept, and health includes not only the physical health or the emotional health, but both the things contribute to the health. Okay? So whatever is just, disturbing our physical health will be disturbing our emotional health. And whatever is disturbing our emotional health will be disturbing our physical health as well. कभी देखा stress में we are complaining कि यार I am having headache. So that's a very good example. Okay, how the negative emotions are impacting your health, right? You should feel safe, secure, valued and recognized in your relationships, right? So what is the foundation? Foundation is of four, that is communication, respect, trust, and understanding. And along with these four things, what you will be experiencing is that you will be having that feeling of belongingness, that yes, you will be feeling secure from within, right? Valued and recognized. You will be having a very good self-esteem. And the person who are having interpersonal difficulties, interpersonal means difficulties within the people he or she is living with, and that particular problem is known as interpersonal difficulties. That person tends to have some issues of the self-esteem, okay, and inferiority complex within themselves. So relationships are also playing a direct role in impacting our self-esteem, self-worth, and inferiority issues. Okay, now talking about the healthy relationships, guys, what do we mean by healthy relationships? क्या होते हैं healthy relationships? Exactly, relationship is a relationship. अब इसमें healthy और unhealthy की क्या बात है? Tell me, what type of relationship you considered healthy?
Where there is communication, respect for each other, and in good or bad situations, they stand for each other.
But will it be possible that that person will be taking a stand for you in every time you are stuck in some situation?
In that situation, communication helps. You can communicate whether you are able to stand in that particular situation or not.
What do we perceive by just, this term called unhealthy relationships? Why humans are saying that relationships are unhealthy too?
If two people are not feeling comfortable, I mean, then it's an unhealthy relationship.
Comfortable in what sense, ma'am?
Just now, I mean, she said, you just said that if he or she will stand up for you or not. But it also depends on the other person, whether he or she wants other person to stand up or not. So we understand our boundaries and spaces and give that, and wherever support is needed, we give that.
Very good. Yes. So when that fine line is being crossed by any of the partner, then the whole relationship can turn out to be unhealthy or toxic.